Maintaining your vehicle is extremely important, especially when it's a new vehicle. The crew at Park Mazda has been looking after my CX-5 for some time now, and they do a fantastic job. And they've actually come up with a pretty cool way to keep in touch with their customers when they can't always be face-to-face. A short time after dropping off my vehicle, the service technician actually sends a video walkthrough of their analysis. They outline any areas of concern and point out any issues with wear and tear.
Brake pads for your rears are measuring at 6:30 seconds there, so you can see. So that is it for your video, and then thank you so much for your time.
It's an up-and-close look at everything going on in my vehicle. That is so cool. We're with Mitch Lewicki, the general manager here at Park Mazda. It's a pretty cool system, Mitch. I don't have to download any apps. I click on a link that gets text to me, and I'm staring at the video. Why did you decide to communicate with customers this way?
Yeah, and during COVID, we wanted to provide as much service as we could, contactless to the customer. So taking a video front to back and sending that to our clients has been really important to try to keep that distance, and it's building a lot of value with our clients, and it's really helped out with our customer satisfaction as well.
How have people taken to it so far?
So far, the feedback has been really good. Our communication is better, and we're more efficient with our process.
This creative system is a way Park Mazda has been able to improve communication with their customers and build trust and transparency in the service process. Park Mazda, your dealer for life.